Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the silver price has moved in the last week and how the silver price can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart, what we can see that the silver price is continuously moving in a volatile range. Okay, and if you look at this particular range, we can see a high of that particular range is coming at around 25.44 and a low is at around 20.5 or 8. So now what I want to tell you that the range of is the volatile range has come from if you look at the chart from August itself. Okay, otherwise the range of that silver was in this particular zone, okay, which was around above 25. Okay, so now as of now it is trading in this particular zone itself. If we look at the price 25 and around in the level of 21, okay, 21.3. So now see, before that, if you have any doubt regarding silver position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in silver is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. See now, what I want to suggest is something very important. You have to understand here that if you are trading with suppose $10,000 and if you are in a loss of around $200 or $300 for a day, then please stop the trading for the day and you can trade the next day. Or if you have made a profit of around $300 to $500, or suppose whatever your amount, $100, once it comes down to 80%, that means if you have made $100, if it comes down to 80, please stop the trade for the day, or 70 maximum, because that if you are in a profit, please exit in profit. If you are in loss, make a limit for that particular loss. So now suppose now the price, now it is moving in this particular zone, the silver price, okay, and the high of that particular zone is around coming at around 23.714 and a low of that particular zone is coming at around 23.26. okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, then chances are high we can see a level of 23.714. okay, and this level is already tested twice, so chances are high we can see it can go further upside to a level of 23.808. okay, and if the price sustain of this level, then we can see a level of 24 also. Okay, see, this is the level which is already tested here twice, so chances are high we can see further upside to a level of 24.258. and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see chances are high we can see a level of 24.502. okay, and this level is also tested twice, so chances are we can see a further upside to a level of 24.821. so keep this in mind that if the price goes above a level 23.89 or 88, then we can see it can touch a level of 24.8 also, because we can see that the price can go upside because a cup pattern can form at this level. So now chances, what we can see here, that the price goes above a level of 23.8, then we can see it can touch a level of 24.74 or 89. okay, or 24.80. or suppose if the price sustain of this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 24.93, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 25.178. okay, and this level is also tested here twice and thrice, so chances are high we can see further upside to a level of 25.386. okay, and this level is also tested twice, and the level has the resistance got weak, and so chances are high we can see a level of 26.5 very soon. okay, suppose if the price of silver didn't sustain this level, okay, and suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then chances are high we can see a level of 23.470, and if the price sustain below this level, then we can see a level of 23.339. okay, and if the price didn't sustain that level, then chances are high we can see a level of 23.182. okay, and if the price comes close to this level, I have already told you that then we can see a little bit of a downside, and will be a probability that if the price goes below 23, then we can see it can touch a level of 22.658 also, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 22.475, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 22.292. okay, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 22.187, and if the price goes much below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 21.925. okay, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 21.664, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 21.402. okay, this is the support, which is a very strong support. If the price close below a level of 22.397, then will be a probability that it can go and touch a low 21.428. okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level also, okay, but this is the support which we can see a profit booking at profit booking can come at this particular level. So what you have to see, and then we can see a bounce back from this level. Suppose if the price goes below this level, then chances are high we can see a level of 21 or 20.8 very soon. So any doubt you can mail me. Why I'm making a short video in order you should watch it full, so that so it is all informative video, so please watch it carefully and note it down what the price and what are the things I'm telling you, so that you should be well educated about what you are doing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.